Hello everybody. Welcome to the class. I'm Dave, your instructor for the semester. I look forward to working with you, but before we begin working, I need you to first thing first, sign up with Blackboard. Log into Blackboard by going into gptc.blackboard.com. Enter your login credentials to access the Blackboard. Once you access the Blackboard, click the course Math 1113. So the first thing first you would see is the Proctor Exam information. This is something that you would you would want to read carefully because you will be taking a midterm exam, and that would be given in the proctored setting. This exam is going to be worth 20% of your final grade. Next you want to do is look at the no-show assignment. Well, the no-show assignment is due on May 27th, 2021. If you do not complete the no-show assignment by the due date, you will be dropped from the class. How do you access no-show assignment? Just click the syllabus and no-show assignment. And here's your no-show. Just click here to access it. You will also be taking work ethics assignment, which will be available to you on June 1st. Again, the work ethics will be given in the proctored setting, and you will need Respondus browser. So the instructions to download the browser may be found in Blackboard as well as in your syllabus. In the Blackboard announcement area, I should say. Here's your summer, here's your tentative class schedule. Well, syllabus summer 2021 represents an agreement between the instructor and the student that shows you exactly what is expected from you. The tentative class schedule is something that you have to keep in mind. All assignments are due. Assignments including tests, quizzes, final exams, and midterm, they're all due on July 23rd. Discussion board assignment is going to be will have a separate due dates. The instructions for discussion board assignments will be posted in an announcement area in Blackboard, and an email will be sent out to you. Instructor contact, if you want to reach me, here is my contact information right here. I am on Newton campus in room B117. My phone and extension and emails are there. You're welcome to reach out to me, and I'll be glad to assist you. The course material is in course contact. If you click the course content area, you will find the course material. Anything that says graded, you have to do them. These are the items that you are required to do. If you just click on it, it's going to take you to all the required assignments here. And you have to complete them all. Here's a rubric that we use to grade your discussion board assignments. With that said, I just want to wish you the best, and I look forward to meeting and working with each of you this semester. I'm here to help you learn by serving you, teaching you, and inspiring you to lead. Let's make this an unforgettable learning experience, and I want to wish you good luck. Thank you very much. See you in the class.